Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals.
And I'm Rosie Seals.
Get ready to take a dive into the seas with Nemo and Friends. The former Living Seas attraction now features the characters from the beloved Pixar movie and an Omnimover ride similar to how the Haunted Mansion works. After we show you the full ride, we'll take a look at Manatees in the gift shop, plus we'll take a swim in the time stream, arriving back when this was the Living Seas. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. The retheming to Nemo and Friends occurred in 2006, a year after my last Epcot visit.
There's those seagulls. She's with Nemo and Friends. Last time I was here, it was just the Living Seas. Now it's the Seas with Nemo and Friends. All different.
The Seas with Nemo and Friends is a fun family adventure in which you travel aboard slow-moving clam-mobiles through a whimsical undersea environment in search of Nemo. The song at the end of the ride is from Finding Nemo the Musical at Animal Kingdom.
Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go!
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray is getting into the
Yes,
I am looking for my son!
I can help.
Nemo!
Where?
That's what I'm trying to find. Nemo! Where are you? There's jellyfish! Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Alright, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games! Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon!
Ah! Jellyfish!
Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink and a balloon.
That's jellyfish! You're not helping!
Oh yeah, too fast for you!
Stop fooling around! Dory, do something!
Hey, Snacky Dog! Hey, catch me! I'm scared now.
I wonder if fish taste funny.
Stop fooling around!
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite!
But everybody's looking for you.
I get to see a good root canal.
Wait, take me with you.
Okay, Art. Now head up to teammates.
The real Marlin and Dory. There we go, not so hidden Mickey in the aquarium.
The Living Seas once had the largest saltwater tank, but the Georgia Aquarium, which we have a video series on, now has the largest.
Manatees. Good old sea cows. She's right there.
This pavilion is a haven for injured manatees such as this one. They are released back into the wild when they are ready, but continue to be monitored. West Indian manatees are the species at Epcot.
It's massive, isn't he? Look. Oh, here he goes down.
Must have found something. Oh. He's walking on the floor.
Oh, that's really cool. Go down, there you go, come here. Oh, come here, come close. Come here, mister. Oh, look.
He's coming, he says, "Hi, Rosie." How you doing, Rosie?
Hi, little guy. Hi.
He's come in the inlet. Just kind of hang out. It's kind of dead end.
I like how he's walking on them.
Yeah, it looks like he's walking on all fours.
Rosie found a shirt she likes. Looks like it's mine in a bunch of different languages, but they all look pretty much the same. Well, they are the standout stars of Finding Nemo, aren't they? They're everywhere. They're even at Pixar Foot, remember? In New York. What? Of course it does that. I like this hat Stitch was here.
Before Finding Nemo invaded the living seas, now the Seas with Nemo and Friends, you would take an elevator called the Hydrolator.
Please choose Hydrolator 1, 2, or 3, which will take you down to Seabase Alpha.
The gift shop was different back in the day. There were no dolphins in the tank when we went in 2021, but they are apparently still around and people can interact with them. However, the website says that the encounter is temporarily unavailable. We hope you enjoyed this episode. What are your thoughts on the Seas with Nemo and Friends? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, give us a big ol' thumbs up. Share this with your friends, subscribe to stay up to date with our adventures, fishy or otherwise, and strike the bell to be notified when our videos upload. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is down below. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.